everyone, I am Ma'am Noemi Ahardin and this is EduQuest. Today we're going to learn another lesson, concept, and ideas. But before that, let us have our review first on our previous lesson. Last episode, Sir Arvin talked about the nervous and integumentary system. Can you recall the different parts of our nervous system? Correct, students! Our nervous system is composed of brain, spinal cord, and networks of nerves. Now that you have learned about it, let us move on to our next topic. But before that, here are our learning objectives for this day.
At the end of the lesson, the learners will be able to determine the distinguishing characteristics of vertebrates and invertebrate animals. Be able to make an inventory of vertebrates and invertebrates that are commonly seen in the community. Directions: arrange the jumbled letters for each number to guess the name of the animals.
After guessing the animals, what do you think are their differences to each other? Which of these animals have a backbone? And which of these animals doesn't have a backbone? Very good observation, students. Animals have different appearance compared to each other. Do you know that animals can be classified whether they have backbones or not? Yes, these are called invertebrates and vertebrates animals.
Vertebrates are animals of a large group distinguished by the possession of a backbone or spinal column, including mammals, birds, reptiles, amphibians, and fishes. Vertebrate animals is grouped into 5. The first one is fish. Fish live in water and breathe through their gills. Their skin is covered with scales and uses fin to swim. Second one, we have amphibians. Amphibians can live in both land and water. Their babies live in water and breathe through their gills. Then when they become adults, they will breathe through their lungs and through their skin. Third one, we have reptiles. Reptiles live on land and in some water. They breathe through their lungs and their skin is covered with scales and some have shells. Fourth, we have birds. Birds live on land and in the air. They breathe through their lungs and they have feathers and wings. Lastly, we have mammals. A lot live on land and some in water. They breathe through their lungs and their body is covered in skin and fur. They can also produce milk. Example of these vertebrates animals: in amphibians we have frog, in fish we have goldfish, mammals we have dog, reptiles we have the turtles, and bird we have parrot. On the other hand, we have the invertebrate animals. Invertebrates are animals lacking a backbone, such as sponges, cnidarians, roundworms, segmented worms, mollusks, arthropods, and echinoderms. Invertebrate animals can be classified into 3 factors. First one is what they eat, second is how they breathe, and third, how they produce. Invertebrates are carnivores, herbivores, and omnivores. Some invertebrates breathe through their skin, some through their gills, and others through their lungs. All invertebrates are oviparous. Their offspring is called larvae. When they grow, some of them change form. Directions: encircle the best description on the characteristics of the invertebrates and vertebrates animals.
Very good, students! Congratulations for doing the activity. Now that you are already done describing and identifying animals, whether they are invertebrates or vertebrates, let us now move on to our final activity.
Directions. List down at least 5 vertebrates and 5 invertebrates animals found in your community. Identify what group of vertebrate and invertebrates the animals belongs to.
Animals' characteristics makes them unique, and this uniqueness plays a vital role in our environment. That is why they deserve care and love and also respect from humans like us. I hope you learned something today. Thank you for tuning in and see you on the next episode.